Hey, what's happening, people? So we've got a delivery. This actually came in a couple of days ago, and I filmed this and I had a slight issue with the video, so I'm gonna have to make it again. Not a problem, anything for YouTube. So let's crack this box open and I'll show you what we've got. So we have, hi there, Google Store, great to meet you. I've not seen this before. I don't know how long Google have been packaging their phones like that. So we have the Pixel 4a. This came directly from the Google Store, not from a third-party seller. So I'm not sure if that funky bit of kit comes with every Google phone or whether it's just from the Google Store. I think it's just Google Store packaging. So let's have a little quick look around the box. You've got a side profile of the phone there, which was part of their marketing campaign, one of their photos they used. And you've got a picture of the back of the phone. You can just make out the fingerprint sensor on there. A couple of little seals, and then on the box we've got Pixel 4a 5.8 inch, so not a massive display, 128 gig, which is about average, and then just black, and it's got the 18 watt USB charger. So let's pop the phone to one side and we will show you what's in the box. So you've got your quick tray, little pamphlet, and you've got your 18 watt charger with this little satisfying so the only reason that slides in and out, as far as I'm aware, is to make this smaller, and interestingly it's got the USB-C to USB-C cable. A lot of them are still using a standard USB. You know, a lot of the Huawei's and the Xiaomi's, they're all using those, or a lot of them are. I'd say it's a cost thing, who knows. You've got the USB-C to USB-C cable there, which is obviously pretty standard, all white. It's a shiny, smooth, matte, very soft finish. And then you've got your little adapter there, which is part of the setup process, so you can transfer everything from one phone to another phone. So you just plug one end into one phone, the other end into your old phone, and you can transfer everything across pretty seamlessly and pretty quickly. Let's have a quick look at this. So you've got a little blue Google pamphlet there. Here, on the back there, you've got your little SIM tool, little safety information as you get with all phones, and this is meet your new Pixel and how to set up your Pixel. Let's dash that over there as well, and let's move on to the phone. So the phone itself, completely black all over except for the power button. We have the fingerprint sensor on the rear and the camera bump here with just the one camera, 12 megapixel. But you know, software from Google is absolutely phenomenal, and they punch out some quality photos with a 12 megapixel sensor. Got a microphone up here, 3.5mm headphone adapter on the top, and then on the left side of the phone you've got the SIM. On the base you've got the speakers, dual speaker ports there, USB-C input, and then on the right side you've got the power volume up and down, and the power button, I should say. Then on the front you've got the hole punch lens, top left. Let's turn it on. Google, solid start. So as I briefly mentioned at the beginning of this, I have already unboxed this once. So the phone is set up and ready to go, and I will show you quickly around a few of the features as I would in a standard unboxing. So let's quickly pop the pin in because it will want me to before I can use the fingerprint sensor. So I wanted to show you the fingerprint sensor, which obviously I've set up, and it's very quick. Let's 3, 2, 1. As you can see there, it's rapid. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Very quick. I'm very happy with the fingerprint sensor, and I am pleased that the phone is generally, it feels pretty well built. You've got the plastic, so it's very light. That was one of the first things I noticed when I picked this phone out of the box, the lightness of the phone, and being plastic, obviously that is going to reduce a lot of the weight. You've got the fingerprint sensor to the top here, which is in a really nice place. I did mention about how the Note 10 and also the Poco X3 have the side mounted fingerprint sensors. They're okay, but for me it's not ideal. I prefer it on the back or an under fingerprint sensor, which is my preferred method. Face unlock I do like, however I prefer it to unlock and to instantly open up the screen, whereas often that doesn't happen. Generally you have to swipe off the screen, which is a touch annoying in my opinion. So let me show you the camera, as I said I would. So camera, let's have a little look at the bear. So when I take these photos, I'm generally looking at these three dots on the top of the bear's head, and I am zooming in to see the sort of quality we're getting. So in my opinion on there, you've got not a bad zoom. Let's just rotate that so you can get a, that's not bad at all. There's not too much blur around the outside, and hopefully you can pick that up. The selfie camera, let's move to now and see what the selfie is saying. So, quick selfie. Pretty good, not the best I've ever seen, but also not the worst, and I would be happy with that. It's not something that I really get a massive amount of use out of, being a guy. I don't think many guys go around taking too many selfies. I know a lot of people obviously use Snapchat, that kind of thing. They will be taking a lot of selfies. However, that's not something I do. So for me, it's not a huge thing, but yeah, selfie camera looks pretty good. Let's just take another quick one, just to see. So I can, as I said, the selfie business, that's not a huge thing for me, not really into that. However, there's a lot of features that I am looking forward to using. I will do the main camera review. I'll do a little video review over the next week. I'm going on a canal boat holiday, so yeah, as I said, fingers crossed, let's hope the weather holds out for me, and I will get back to you. If you want to check out the phone, link below, and also I would really appreciate a sub to the channel. It means a lot. If I can get to the 4,000 subs, that'd be nice. It'd be nice to get that before Christmas, so please click onto that and help me out. Really appreciate it. Again, thanks for watching the video. Check out the phone below, and I'll see you in the next one.